Hey guys, Wayne Stevenson here, and today I'm gonna share with you my #1 secret to getting a grip on your motor bells. And no, it's not a 3D printed wrench. These 3D printed wrenches work great, but they can break on you, and unlike these ones, my secret will work with every size motor. Alright, let's head to the kitchen and get started. I'll leave the recipe down below. Before we get set up, get out your favorite cutting board and your favorite knife. Today I'm going to use my trusty hand tools. The next step is to get out a silicone baking sheet. Alright, all we're looking for is a long enough piece that we can fit it around with our fingers on our motor bell. So just take your sharp knife and give yourself a nice slice on your sheet. You can use scissors too if you want. Make sure you make a nice cut, because if there are any rips on it, they'll tend to fray and rip. And there you have it. Hey, that's it. That is my secret right there. Take that little strip, wrap it around your motor bell of any size, and you are not losing your grip on that motor. Hope this helps you out. If it does, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.